Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the disconnection approach of the 5-membered ring. Now today we are going to discuss with the 6-membered rings. The disconnection and the formation of 6-membered rings also involve the simple and the same principle as for 5-membered ring. Example, when the heteroatom is joined to the carbon atom at different oxidation level such as 44, 45 or 46, the best order of the event is usually to disconnect the 44 first and 46 in the last. In the 44, we have the cleavage or disconnection of the carbon halogen bond, and we are having the COET HX, and in this we are having the formation of carbon cleavage bond, and in the 46 we are having the cleavage of carbon halogen bond. Following this order of the event, the disconnection A on the 47 should come first. This 47, this should come first. This reveals a symmetrical amino ketone 48 with the 1,5 disconnection of the amino group from the cyanide. The cyanide is disconnecting the carbon halogen and giving the 48. This is the retrosynthetic analysis. In the synthesis, diketone 50 can be made by the reduction of the cyanide in the presence of carbonyl group. Cyclization of 48, this one is spontaneous. So you are having the dihydroxy at the meta position. With the Raney nickel, you have converted into the diketone compound. In the basic medium, we have the alkynyl cyanide addition forming this, and the Raney nickel will close the ring and forming the target molecule 47. 4-piperidinone can be disconnected at CN bond at 51 or by the strategy used for the another symmetrical ketones 53. Retrosynthetic analysis, that is the cyclic amino group carbon nitrogen bond cleavage and 1,3-dioxane giving this carbonyl compound alpha beta. So we are having the 3 ketones. Since 52 is made from the 3 molecules of acetone, the synthesis is easier than expected. The 51 is readily available compound. So in the synthesis, 3 carbonyl compound acetone react with calcium chloride ammonia giving the target molecule 51. The CC disconnection strategy is more general 54 and has been used to make many pharmaceuticals. Retrosynthetic analysis, we are having the amino and keto group and phenyl group. Add activating group, COCH3 group is being added. So carbon ketone group, carbon-carbon cleavage with 1,3-diketo group, this will be formed, and these two compounds 1,3,5-dioxane and CN, so it will cleave at these bond giving the amine. In the synthesis, this amino group is reacting with the 56 molecule giving 55, and this 55 is giving 54. In the basic medium and heating, it is giving the 53, our target molecule. So with the 2 heteroatoms in the ring, it is again useful to look for a recognizable fragments containing both. Uracil 57, one of the base in the nucleic acid, can be disconnected to the urea and suitable electrophilic fragment, and the Michael addition to an electrophilic acetylenic is a suitable reaction. So this is uracil, the part of the nucleic acid, CN disconnection giving the urea is combining with this and giving the carbon triple bond COOH. So carbon triple bond COOH is combining with the urea, heating, giving the target molecule 57. This is our 57 molecule. So this is all about, this is 57 uracil. So this is all about the disconnection approach to the 6-membered ring. Thank you.